Mothers. How many times I call you 3 times? This is the time for you to be entering kitchen with your girls now with this operation start to meet for their future. You understand? That's that my friend can't call me. Can't tell me say her husband don't enter kitchen with her. Say, honey, that egg where you always make for me for breakfast, I bet come make her for me. Hey, come see drama for inside kitchen. The man don't know say Nasilia at their house and they always do all those things. She don't even know where they put stuff, where they put the money, where the egg they said she don't know. And the other can't tell her say, afternoon my love, I bet make me feel easy obiti bow. Hey, get by. Let me tell you on your own. The only advice I will give you now say make you enter YouTube now. They look at them, they make all those delicacies Oriental, Oriano, Orialanga, Orialede, to save your marriage, you understand? Before you begin to cry up and down now, seriously, behind your house there, don't take your husband, or snatch her, you're your own.